In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to uppercut in Jujutsu Shenanigans Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The uppercut is a very flashy move, and it can be used for a lot of different combos. So in this video, I'm gonna give you instructions on how to properly pull it off. As you can see, you will need to perform a very specific combination of buttons. So, when you do your usual combo by holding down this button here on mobile, you will just see quick punches left and right, left and right. In order to do the uppercut, you need to integrate the jump button into your combo. So as you can see, if I press both of them roughly at the same time, I'll be able to do an uppercut by the end. So essentially, you have to be holding down the punch button, and alongside the combo, you press the jump button. So as you can see, as long as you press the jump button somewhat close to when you start holding the punch button, you will be able to perform an uppercut at the end. And as you saw there, you don't need to jump preemptively, you don't need to jump before. So start the combo and then hold down the jump button. As you can see, your character is going to finish the combo with the uppercut. Like I said in the beginning of the video, not only is this flashy and satisfying to do, but you can use this to tie into other combos, maybe send them flying, and they are going to be locked in there for more time. To my knowledge, 6 Eyes is the only character who can perform the uppercut, but I cannot confirm this with 100% certainty. If you know of any other characters which can pull off the uppercut, make sure to let us know in the comment below, but as you can see, it's as simple as holding down the punch button and then pressing the jump button. Of course, this might be uncomfortable to do depending on how you hold your phone, but as it stands today, this is what you have to do to pull off the uppercut on mobile. If you are on PC, you just have to press the space bar, just like you would press the jump button here during your combo, and the uppercut would be done at the end as the last punch. I hope I was able to help you on how to uppercut in Jujutsu Shenanigans Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.